So guys, dito tayo ngayon sa may labas ng Ho Chi Minh and lalakad-lakad lang. Tapos, more on, pag pumunta tayo dito guys, more on Manila vibes. As in, parang hindi ka maninibago, parang nasa Manila kasi Asia City. Pare-parehas lang. Then, makikita nyo, ayan, napakadaming motor, grabe motor dito. That's in, mas malala sa Pilipinas yung motor dito dahil kung sa atin, yung motor yung umiiwas, dito, tao ang iwas sa motor. Hindi sila titigil. Unless pabangga ka nila, syempre.
Next na pupuntahan naman natin ay ang Bentan Market kung saan pwede kayo mamili ng mga pasalubong, papalit ng pera at located lang naman ito sa gitna ng city ng Ho Chi Minh kaya malapit lang ito sa lahat.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Bentan Market. It's like the wet market and dry market also, mga pasalubong and anything, mga bags. In the first look, kung titignan mo siya, para siyang Green Hills. Kasi napakadaming bags and t-shirts. Pero the second look, ayan, may mga vegetable, prutas siya and kung ano-ano pang tinda dito sa Bentan Market. So, tingnan natin.
Powder coffee powder.
You have powdered coffee.
You can have it sit down and wait for your sample.
How do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Some customer teach to me every day.
Oh,
Some
okay.
day have some face like hello, see you again, bye bye. Anong masarap sa kape? Anong masarap?
Ano masarap?
Masarap. Alamit. Luwak. How much? This one. Luwak coffee we have 3 times the same. Luwak 180,000 dong. That is the Vietnamese taste. Give for you aroma sweet. And that's the reason for in the around the world. How many countries?
So guys, ito, pumili kami ng Vietnam coffee. It's either pwede mong ipag-grind sa kanila to make it powder or pwede mo ring ganyan lang.
Take for you compare.
So, pwede ring beans lang, pwede ring pa-powder mo. Ayan, kuya.
Okay, small one. Mini
I think this one costs around like 200 pesos, 200 something pesos, 100 grams. And sobrang bango pag naamoy nyo, as in.
Dito guys, pag bumili kayo ng kape nila may free taste pa and oo marunong magtagalog si kuya. Kaya nga napalapit ako kasi inaalok niya ako, sabi niya, pasalubong. So nagulat ako ba't marunong magtagalog to. Natuto daw siya magtagalog dahil sa mga Filipino customer na nasa Vietnam. And also guys, hindi famous ang Starbucks dito. 2 Starbucks nga lang yung nakita ko sa city nila. At ito yung explanation ni kuya.
Unlike this one, this is pure, yeah.
In Vietnam, we don't like we want the pure coffee, not the coffee mixed many. And we don't
That's
like
why
also the
Starbucks
sweet
has
coffee.
many sweets.
They put the cream, whipping cream, and
Caramel and anything.
too many kind. Just only the young generation like.
Yeah.
If somebody like the good coffee machine, and have coffee maker.
May coffee maker tayo sa bahay, di ba?
Meron.
Yeah, we have that.
May free taste pa, so cheers.
Masarap. Oh.
Guys, masarap, natural sweetness. Wala, no added flavor, right?
No
It's
other flavor.
natural sweetness and ang sarap. Para ka nag-3-in-1 pero natural. Sobrang natural. Thank you. Guys, he's such a good barista.
Ang next na pupuntahan naman natin ay ang Bitexco Skyview Deck. Bitexco Tower is the tallest building in Ho Chi Minh City. It has a height of 861 feet with a total of 68 floors. Pero hanggang 49th floor lang kami kasi bawal na daw sa taas and bawal din sa may helipad for safety reasons.
So, dito kami ngayon sa may Saigon Bitexco Tower or Saigon Viewing Deck. And ang entrance niya is 249,000 baht or 550 something pesos. And it is on the 49th floor ng building na to. Yun, just pagtakot kayo sa heights, nakakalula siya. Tulad neto. 360 view. And sulit naman para sa 550 pesos kasi first time ko to actually mag-viewing deck. Hindi ako nag-viewing deck nung nag-Thailand ako and nag-Singapore. Ay, nung Singapore, nag-viewing deck ako pero sa... Basta yun. Tapos, yan. Meron din ditong screen. Kita mo yung mga location. Then, meron din ditong itong scope na hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Feeling ko hindi. Hello guys, welcome sa another location natin which is ang
President Ranson so-called offer of unconditional discussions means that the Vietnamese people must accept American conditions. These conditions are American imperialism,